येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। Hari Om. So in last class we already covered this Sakhi Shabda, we finished, and now Pati Shabda is going to come. That is also very similar to Sakhi Shabda, just that Anang Adesha will not happen to Pati Shabda. That Anang extra something different had come. Hrasva Ikaranta Shabda we are doing. Hrasva Ikaranta Pullinga. Hrasva Ikaranta Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga, they get one Saudhnya, which is Ghi Saudhnya. And with the Ghi Saudhnya, we do some work. So those works are generally Guna, etc. Those works we did. Then we came to the Sakhi Shabda, Anang Adesha we did, and Sakha, this Rupa was formed. Then we did this Atidesha Sutra, very first Atidesha Sutra we saw. And then we did the Nidvat Bhava of Sarvanamasthana Pratyayas, all 5 Pratyayas. And then because of Nidvat Bhava, Achvaniti Sutra was applied. Achvaniti Sutra tells that the Anga, if it is ending with Ach, then do the Vruddhi to that Ajanta Anga. And thus Sakhayav, Ikara had turned into Aikara, and then Ayadya Adesha Sandhi, Sakhayav. That's what the form we got. Sakhayah Bahuvachana. Then Sakhayam. Again the Nidvat Bhava, Vruddhi, Ayadya Adesha. Then again Sakhayav. And Dvitiya Bahuvachan is just like Hari. No change. Sakhin. Harin, Sakhin. So Prathamayoho Purvasavarna Dirgaha. Purvasavarna Dirgha we did. And then Tasmat Chasuna Pumsi, we turned that Sakara of Shas Pratyaya into Nakara, and Sakhin, this is what the form we got. Then Sakhya, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhihi, because it is not Ghi Saudnyaka, Ango Nastriyam, Astriyam Angha Sthane Nasyat, this sutra is not applicable. Then what? Just Yanadesha we did, Sakhya, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhihi. No changes, Adantanga is not there, therefore there is no this. Atobhisa ice, that ice adesha did not happen. Sakhye Chaturthi Bhakti Ekavachana, because Ghi Saudhnya is not there, being Hrasva Ikaranta Pullinga, Ghi Saudhnya is not there. The Guna does not come. So just Yanadesha Sandhi, Sakhye, Sakhibhyam, Sakhibhya, Sakhyuhu, here just little bit different work happens, where the Khatyat, first we do Yanadesha, and after doing Yanadesha, that Akara, which was there, due to which we brought this Yana Adesha on the place of this Ikara. Okay. That Akara turns into Ukara. So that we did, and then Sakhyus, that's what the form we get. So did I explain this Sannipata Lakshana Vidhi Animittam Tadvighatasya, this paribhasha? Sannipata Lakshana paribhasha. Sannipata Lakshana paribhasha?
No,
I didn't explain.
You have not explained.
Okay, so later when the time will come, we'll see. Actually, in Siddhanta Kaumudi it comes for Ramaya itself, but that's fine. We'll see when we will really need it. We will see. For now, just let's go, because there is the problem. It should come. Problem should come now, but because no problem is coming, so let's skip that problem. When problem will rise, we will see the Sannipata Paribhasha. Then rest of the word is just same. It will go Sakyuhu, Sakyuhu, Shash.
Share the screen.
I shared. I have shared Swamiji screen. Or I shared something else. I will share it again.
No, Ji, we are able to see.
Okay. I shared it again. Now is it visible?
Yes.
Swamiji, it is visible.
I see only you.
Okay. Now. Swamiji.
No, no, I'm not able to. I have to do something on my side, I'm sure. I see screen, but I see very small. I don't see it. Just like tiny. Yeah, but no, I need to do something. Okay, you continue. Okay, got it. Done.
So Panchami Shashti Vibhakti Ekvachana form that Kyatyat Parasya Soho Akarasya Uhu we did, and then Sakyuhu Sakyuhu. These two forms we got. Panchami Vibhakti Dvivachana Bahuvachana Sakibhyam Sakibhya as it is, no changes, just connect the pratyas. Sakhyoho Sakhyoho Shashti and Saptami Vibhakti Dvivachana pratyas, these two. Nothing, just Yana Desha, they get connected. And we go ahead. Shashti Vibhakti Bahuvachan, Rasvanadhyapo Nut Agama happens to Am Pratyaya and Nami by the Sutra, that Rasvantanga becomes Dirghanta, Sakhi Nam. Here, Sakhyav, Out Sutra is used, Out. By this Sutra, Au comes on the place of, in the place of Ni Pratyaya, Sakhyav. Because it is not Ghi Saudnyaka, if it was Ghi Saudnyaka, then that E of Sakhi Shabda would have been replaced by Akara and Ni Pratyaya would have been replaced by Au. So A plus Au at the end, Vruddhi Adesha Sandhi would have taken place there. And then Sakhau, that's what the form we would have got. But here just Au comes, therefore Sakhi and Au, Yanadesha Sandhi takes place. Sakhyav, that's what we get. And we move Sakhyoho, Sakhishu, no changes. Hey Sakhi. Anang comes, but it comes only for normal Prathama Vibhakti, not the Sambodhana Prathama. Because it does not come for Sambodhana, normal Sakhi Shabda is there. Because just common Sakhi Shabda, so Guna happens to the Hrasvanta Anga. And Hey Sakhe, again the rest of the pratyas are having Nidvat Bhava because they are Sarvanama Sthana pratyas. So Sarvanama Sthanatvat Anitva Dharma is there, and because of Anitva Dharma, Achoyaniti iti Vruddhi is taking place. Ayadi Adesha, Sakhaya, Sakhaya. These are the forms. So this is where we finished the Sakhi Shabda. Little bit weird, different Shabda. Now the Pati Shabda is there. Almost same, just that Sakha, the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan was different. That will not be there. And little bit some changes are there. Those we will see. Now, what is that? Let's enter in the Pati Shabdas process. Let's read the sutra. Pati samasa eva. Pati samasa eva. Pati samasa eva. पति ही प्रथम विभक्ति एक वचन, समासे सप्तम विभक्ति एक वचन, एव अव्यय. पति शब्द, this शेषोघ्य सखी, after this sutra it will come. So in Prakarana, there Sheshogya Sakhi is the sutra here. Sheshaha Ghi Asakhi. Sakhi Varjam Shesham Hrasva Ikarantam Hrasva Ukarantam Eva Sheshaha. Because use Trakyam Nadi, the Nadi Saudhya was given. The remaining Hrasva Ikaranta, Hrasva Ukaranta, they were named as Ghi. Pati was also getting named as Ghi, but the sutra comes and it says that Pati is also Ghi Saudnyaka, but when it is in the samasa. If it is not in the samasa, it is not Ghi. Okay? It is a Ghi, it is normal. If it is used in the samasa, then it is Ghi Saudnyaka. He Sheshogya Sakhi. By this sutra, Hari, Guru, Mati, those words were named as Ghi. Sakhi was excluded. Pati was not mentioned only. For that, the next sutra was created, that Pati word also will be named as Ghi, but when it is in the samasa. Otherwise, no, it is not Ghi Saudhya. Otherwise, okay. So that we have to remember. So this is how the vritti is happening. Anuvritti of Ghi is coming. Pati samase eva Ghi Saudhyakaha. That means what? If samasa is not happening, single Pati Shabda is there, then it will not be named as Ghi. It is just common word. The sutra vritti is nothing, just you have to understand that. Patihi samase eva Ghi Saudnyakaha. Pati Shabda samase eva Ghi Saudnyakaha. Otherwise, elsewhere, if there is no samasa, then it is not Ghi Saudnyak. It is just common Shabda. Simple. So why do we say that only in the samasa it is named as Ghi? Because of Ghi Karya, whatever the Karya is there as per the which comes due to the Ghi Saudhnya, Guna takes place. That should not happen. That Ang, the Tritiya Bhakti Ekvachana Pratyaya, that Na comes on the place of it, may it not happen. For those reasons, the Ghi Saudhnya is excluded from this Pati Shabda. So Pati Shabda, let's decline, then nothing, just we have to go on applying the Pratyayas Pati Su. What will happen? Just simply Pati plus Sa will be there. The Upadeshe Janunasika it Tasya Lopaha Pati Sa. Then Pati is Pati Ru Sasarusho Ruhu. Then again Patir Upadeshe Janunasika it Tasya Lopaha. Visarjaniya final form is Patihi. Patihi. Here, what will be the form? Yes. Oh. What will be the form?
You're not able to hear me? Hariom?
Hello?
Naranji, you can hear me?
Very low voice, huh? What will be the form? जी हाँ, I can hear.
Pati.
Correct. Just the sutra is pratamayoh purvasavana dirgha. Pati dhana au. Nothing is happening. Pratamayoh purvasavana dirgha takes place. E plus au. Pat 0 plus 0 and then pat. E. Sutra is ayoho purva savarnaha. Pati. The answer is pati. Then pati and just what will be the form?
Patyah. Pati plus us.
Okay. Pati plus us. I mean patyah. Correct?
Yes.
It is not there. This is not correct form. How H will come? H itself is not there.
Pati will change into Pate. Jessica.
Huh? G. Pati.
E change into A.
Huh. E plus A. What is the sutra?
Jessica.
ह्रस्वस्य गुणः जसि च. गुण. Now HOY. Ready. Patayah. Pati patayah. Then pati plus What will be the form? Patim. Sutra?
Amipurve.
Amipurvah. Okay. Pati plus how?
Same. Pati.
Pati plus out.
The same as before. Pati. Only Pratamayoho Purvasavarna.
Pratamayoho Purvasavarna. Pati plus shas.
Tasmat chaso napumsi.
No, but before that something you have to go.
Pratamayoho Purvasavarna.
Oh, Purvasavarna. E. Sa. By Pratamayoho Purvasavarna. Then Tasmat chaso napumsi. Pati no. What will be the form?
pati plus a.
Then
Iko yanachi.
Koyanachi. Pati plus bhyam.
Nothing. Patibhyam.
Patibhyam. Patibhi. Prakriya. Nothing. Then if it was Hari plus Nge, then what would have been the prakriya? Hari plus Nge. ही संज्ञा कार्य हाँ about ngiti. So घेर ngiti would have come here. So ghe ngiti sopi guna asya. So gun would have happened to the ikara in hari, hare, and then a. And then hare plus a, hare plus a, ayadi adesha haraye, h-o-y-a-v. But here the pati is there. Pati is not ghi. So ghi is not there. Therefore, just simple prakriya will happen. What will happen? What will happen here?
Patye.
Patye, just yana desha. Then patibhyam. Patibhyah. Correct. Now pati plus nasi. What will be the prakriya?
Pati plus as. Patyah.
No, wrong. Was wrong. What will be the reason? Sutra we saw. For specifically 2 words it comes. We used it.
Kyat. Kyatyat parasya.
Katyat parasya. Correct. Okara will take place on the akara. So pat ya krita yanadeshabhyam. So where we have already done the yanadesha, there if ngasi and ngas pratyas are there in front of them, then the ukara will come in the place of us. Patya us. Sutra is katyat parasya. Ready? Sasayushoruhu. Then खरवसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः. Then पतिभ्यां again pati plus ngas. What will be the prakriya?
Patyuhu.
Why?
Same sutra. Kyatyat parasya.
Okay. But why khatyat parasya is applied here in
Both
Shashti also?
Ngasi and Ngaso both.
Correct. Ngasi and ngasoho grahanam. Of both those words the grahanam is done. Patya plus as, the iko yanachi. Patya plus us. Yat parasya. Ready? Patyuhu. तस्वरुः खरवसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः. ऋतु विसर्जन. हाँ. पति धन ओस. What will happen? Here.
Just Koyanachi.
Koyanachi. Correct. ससैषोरुः खरवसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः. पत्योः. Then pati dhana am. What will happen here?
Rasvanadhyapo nut.
Rasvanadhyapo nut. Nutagama will happen. Nutagama will come to am. Adyantau takito. Nadhyapo nut. Then next step.
Nami.
Nami. Form is ready. Pati naam. Pati dhana ngi. What will happen here?
Both out.
Out sutra will come. Pati dhana out by out sutra. Idudhyam uttarasya ngehe out sat. Just simple. No any other word. So pat hi dhana out. Then pat ya dhana out. Iko yanachi. Form is ready. Patyo. Then pati dhana os. Same prakriya, just yanadesha and form is ready. Patyoho. Then pati dhana sup. What will happen here? What will be the sutra?
Adesha Pratyayoho.
Adesha Pratyayoho. Ubhyam parasya sasya shasyat. So final form is ready. Patyeshu. Then pati what will happen here? I will take little bit. So So from su, the u will disappear. So will remain.
Engah
Eng Raswat, but there is no eng. It is e.
Raswa is there?
Huh? Eng Raswat Sambuddhe.
Raswa is there, no?
Hey. Oh no. But
Engah or Raswa, right?
yeah. But here something will happen.
Rasvasya guna.
Raswasya guna. Yesterday also. If we do here also, then this Raswasya gunaha will not get placed to work like this. If you go, this is Raswasya gunaha. Raswasya gunaha sat sambuddho. This is the sutra. Now, if we don't apply here also, Raswasya gunaha sat sambuddho. In Rama, first let's give the final form. What will happen? We will solve this and then we will come to the problem. Why Raswasya Eng Raswat Sambuddhe Sutra was not applied? Yesterday also it had come and we had seen that okay, Raswasya Guna, let's do Raswasya Guna and then. So here, what will happen? First, it will take Guna. Pat, E, then Sa is there. Turn into Guna, Pat, E, Sa. Then now we have to say that Sa will disappear. Pate Sa will disappear. Reason is Eng Raswat Sambuddhe. Okay, this is the sutra. Eng antat Raswantat Changat Sambuddhe Hallupyate. So will disappear and we will get form Pate, and for to indicate okay it is of Sambodhana, he will put. Now this is the form Hepate, Hepati, Hepatayaha, the Prathama Bhakti Dvivachan Bhavachan as it is. Now come to this sutra. But we use this Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhe sutra. Hrasva word was used and Rama and then a Su. Here Su was disappeared. The Susa was disappeared by Engantat Hrasvantat Changat Sambuddhe Hallupyate. Now there are Ekaranta Shabdas. Later we will see Ekaranta Okaranta Shabdas. So Enganta Anga is there. Hrasvanta Shabda is Akaranta Shabda. Rama is there. Later Ekaranta Shabda will also come. Okay, Okaranta Shabda will also come. So Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhe Sutra we can use for Rama. We can use for Ekaranta Shabda. We can use for Okaranta Shabda. But if here also in the case of Pati also, if we use Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhe, then this Hrasvasya Gunaha Sutra Sambuddhav Hrasvasya Gunaha Syat, this will not have any space to work. Hrasvasya Gunaha, this sutra will not have any place to work. Therefore, we have to apply this sutra. Okay. So this sutra we will apply. We cannot apply this sutra in the case of Rama. We cannot apply this sutra in the case of Ekaranta, Okaranta, Aikaranta, Okaranta Shabdas. They are Dirghanta. And Akaranta Shabda we cannot apply because it does not take Guna. Only Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta, Rikaranta Shabdas will remain. And there also, if we apply direct Eng Hrasvat Sambuddhe, then where is the place to work this sutra? So this sutra will not have any space, any region where it will work. So that's why we have to use this sutra. And also, even not using that, directly using in Hrasvat Sambuddhe, Hey Pati, this form will be, at the end, that will be the result, which is not there in the language, which is Dushta form, which is not the proper form. That form we will get. So that's why we have to apply Hrasvasya Guna, then only in Hrasvat Sambuddhe. Done? This Pati Shabda is clear?
Why can't we apply Rasasya Guna for Rama?
Why? What will we do? Nothing will happen.
Ah.
So clear? So we used these sutras for the prakriya. Prathameno purva savarnaha. Then khatyat parasya. That was the just something what we needed for this Pati Shabda. Everything else is just like Hari Shabda only, Ghisaudnika Shabda only. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Come back to the Vritti. Patihi samase eva Ghisaudnya, and just put Syat. Your Vritti or Sutra is complete. Patihi samase eva Ghisaudnya Syat. Patyuhu, these are the Panchami Shashti Ekvachana form. Patyau Saptami Bhakti Ekvachana Out Sutra. Shesham Harivat. Remaining whatever is there, everything else is just like Hari. That much only is the difference. Then Samasetu. Shesham Harivat is understood because if we write down the Pati, Patayah, Patim, Pati, Patin, Patya, Patibhyam, Patibhi, Patye, Patibhyam, Patibhya, Patyuhu, Patibhyam, Patibhya, Patyuhu, Patyoho, Patinam, Patyau, Patyau, Patyoho, Patishu, He Pate, He Pati, He Patayah. Done, this is done. These are the special unique karyas which are happening for this Pati Shabda. Samasetu. It was said that Samase eva Ghisaudnyakaha, Anyatra na. If it is Ghisaudnyaka in Samasa, then what will happen? Then Ghisaudnyaka Karya, whatever is Karya there is mentioned as due to the Ghisaudnya, that will work. That work will happen to that particular Pati Shabda. So Bhupati is the word. Bhupati. Here Pati Shabda is samasta with Bhu. Bhuva Patihi, Bhupatihi. So here when we decline this Bhupati Shabda, it will be declined just like Hari Shabda. So Bhupatihi, Bhupati, Bhupatayah. Bhupatim, Bhupati, Bhupatin, Bhupatina. Ango Nastriyam will be happen, will come. Bhupatibhyam, Bhupatibhi. Bhupataye, घेरिंग इति, guna will take place. Bhupataye, ayade आदेश. Bhupate, Bhupataya, Bhupataye, चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचन. Bhupatibhyam, Bhupatibhyah, द्विवचन बहुवचन. Bhupatehe, what will happen? Bhupati plus Dhana Ngasi. What will be the prakriya? Panchami Bhakti Ekvachan. Here.
Gerati. Ngasi ngasoscha.
Bhupata he us will turn into us. Sutra.
Gerniti.
Gerniti. Correct. Then what will happen now?
Nasina.
Nothing associated. Actually, both will come. Will come. Is Bhupate. Correct. Bhupate. Shashti Bhakti equation is also same. Bhupate. Bhupatibhyam Bhupatibhyah. Bhupate. Bhupatyoho. Nothing, just Yana Desha. Bhupati Nam. Rasvanadya Punut. Nami Dirgha. Bhupati. Bhupati Dhana Ni. What will happen here? One particular sutra will come.
Achyagehe.
Gher niti is prapta here also because ni pratyay is nit pratyaya. But the one special sutra will come achyagehe. And with that, bhupat, that e will turn into akara. Bhupat a. Okay, and then ni will turn into au. Sutra is achyagehe. Then Vruddhyadesha will take place. Bhupatau. Bhupatau, Bhupatyoho, Bhupatishu, He Bhupate, He Bhupati, He Bhupatayah. Done. Shesham Harivat. Samasetu Bhupataye. Bhupataye, just Chaturthi Bhakti Ekvachan is given. That Ghi Saudnyaka Karya is happening. Okay. Is this much till this line? Bhupataye. This much is clear.
SG.
Now let's understand. We are going to enter in the next word. Kati Shabdaha Nityam Bahuvachanantah. There is one word which is Kati, which is derived from the Kim Sarvanama and Diti Pratyaya. Kim Sarvanama and Diti. At the end we get Kati. Okay, that's what we get. Kati Shabda. Now this Kati Shabda, which is derived from this Dit Pratyaya and Diti Pratyaya, that Shabda will always be in the Bahuvachana. Means what? Just like Hari Shabda was there, Hari Harayah. We got the Ekvachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. So Kati Shabda is formed. Now when it is declined, it is not declined in all the Vachanas, but it will be declined in just Bahuvachana. Again, one more thing we have to remember, that in all genders it will be same. Here it is just given Bahuvachana, this Vachana it is given. Linga also is same. For Strilinga, Kati Shabda is Kati only. For Pullinga also, it is Kati only. No form will change for them. Now, Kati Shabda we are going to decline. So, Kati will not be connected with Su or Au, but it will just connected. It will be just connected with Jas, Shas, Kati plus Bhis, Kati, Bhyas, Kati, Am, Kati, Sup. No Sambodhana. These many forms we are going to do. Now, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Bahuvachan. This is where something is going to happen. Okay, for that now the Granthakara is preparing us. One thing he told that Kati Shabda will always be declined in Bahuvachana. So we just put that Kati Shabda with all the Bahuvachana pratyas, just Shas, Bhis, Bhyas, Bhyas, Am, Sup. Okay. Now let's move to the next sutra. This is Saudhnya Sutra. Let's read the sutra. बहुगणवतुडति संख्या, बहुगणवतुडति संख्या, बहुगणवतुडति संख्या. Not ditya, dati, dati pratyaya. It is diti, I don't know some, because da is it, dit pratyaya. I should say it dit. So dati pratyaya it is. Correct it. Dati. Now, what sutra is saying that बहु गण वतु डति संख्या, बहु गण वतु वतु प्रत्ययांत, दिस इज वतु प्रत्यय, वतु प्रत्ययांत, डति डति प्रत्ययांत, बहु शब्द गण शब्द वतु प्रत्ययांत डति प्रत्ययांत words are named as संख्या. When it is said ek, ek is संख्या, द्वि is also संख्या, tri is संख्या. In the same way, ekadasha or sahasra, these are the sankhya words. They have sankhya saudhnya by their own nature. It is their nature. That is the sankhya. Now, bahu shabda is not number. It will not be called sankhya. Gana shabda also is not a number. Vatu pratyanta shabda is also not number. And kati, vito, kim shabda and dati pratyay is used. Kim shabda, again we know that it is not in the sense of number. Okay. Yet this bahu shabda, gana shabda, vatu shabda and dati pratyaya, vatu pratyanta, dati pratyanta shabdas are named as sankhya. Okay, they are named as sankhya. That is the extra thing which is mentioned here. Means what? Kim shabda, with which we formed kati. This kati shabda is having name sankhya. Kati shabda is having name sankhya. So kati is sankhya shabda. So bahugana vatudati sankhya, this samahara dvandva, prathama vibhakti ekvachana. Sankhya is also prathama vibhakti ekvachana. So bahu gana vatudati iti sankhya saudhnyam syat. Iti samuha sankhya saudhnyah syat. That's how we have to understand. Just no vritti. This is the vritti from Kashika, I think I have taken. Bahu gana vatudati iti ete sankhya saudhnyah bhavanti. They are considered, they are named as sankhya. Then this much only work is there. This is clear?
Yes.
One thing we have to remember for kati shabda, it is always bahuvachana. Second thing we added, it is named as sankhya. It is bahuvachana, it is named as sankhya. Now let's move to the next sutra. There is one small sutra, this sutra. Let's read this sutra first. Later it will come, but now itself we will read. This sutra. Shnanta shat, shnanta shat, shnanta shat. Sankhya, that which is named as sankhya. Okay, sorry, not that which is named as the sankhya word. Okay, any sankhya word that will be named as shat. Okay, it will be named as shat. What is the meaning of sutra? Sankhya shat samudnya syat. May sankhya be named as shat. Shat, a word, the 6 is different from this shata. You have to remember, is equal to 6. This is different. And here what shat we are seeing is different. Shat is equal to samudnya vishesha. That we have to remember. The sixth number Shat is different, and Shat is a Saudhnya used by Maharishi Panini. Saudhnya Vishesha. So the sutra is saying that Sankhya is named as Shat. Sankhya is named as Shat. Okay. What type of Sankhya or any Sankhya? So it is said that Shanta Sankhya Shat Saudhnya Syat. That Sankhya which ends with Sh is named as Shat. Else Nanta Sankhya Cha Shat Saudhnya Syat. Any number ending with Sh is named as Shat. Any number ending with Na is named as Shat. So now let's come here. Who are the Shanta? Shanta is Shanta Sankhya. Who is Shanta Sankhya? 6. Shat is the word, which means eventually it becomes Shat. Okay, meaning is 6. Shat, original form of Shat is Shash. It ends with Sh. It means 6 and it is named as Shat. Shat has one more name as Shat. That much we have to remember. Then Nanta Sankhya. Nanta. Panchan. Then Saptan. Ashtan. Navan Dashan, like that, all those till 19, till that it will go like this. Navadasha means till Dasha only, that Dasha only is samasta with that later. Okay, so these are the Nanta Sankhya, numbers ending with Na, numbers ending with Sh. Okay, they are collectively having name as Shat. They are named as Shat. So number which ends with Sh, number which ends with Na are named as Shat. This is clear? This sutra is clear. Now let's come back here. Now our sutra. Let's read the sutra. Daticha, Daticha, Daticha. This Daticha sutra comes here. Immediately after this. See, Shnanta Shat Daticha. Sankhya Shnanta Sankhya Shat Saudhnya Syat. Dati Cha Sankhya Shat Saudhnya Syat. Sankhya word will come from here. Bahuganavatudati Sankhya, Shnanta Sankhya Shat Saudhnya Syat. Then Dati Sankhya Shat Saudhnya Syat. So Datyanta Sankhya Saudhnyaka Shabda also is named as Shat. That is the meaning of Daticha Sutra. So main sentence is Shat Saudhnya Syat. May it be named as Shat. What Sankhya? Sankhya be named as what type of Sankhya? Shanta and Nanta, so already are named as Shat. Then what is remaining? Datyanta Sankhya. Datyanta Sankhya Shat Saudhnya Syat. Now, thus we saw that Kati Shabda is Datyanta Shabda. Sankhya. It is having Sankhya Saudhnya by what? Bahugana Vatudati Sankhya. By that sutra, Datyanta Shabda is named as Sankhya. Originally it is not Sankhya, but it is named as Sankhya. Let's consider it as Sankhya. That's what the meaning is. Now, Kati Shabda is having Sankhya name. Sankhya which ends with Dati Pratyaya is named as Shat. So Kati eventually is named as Sankhya Saudhnyaka. Shat Saudhnyaka. Kati is also Shat Saudnyaka. So Kati iti shabdah संख्या संज्ञकः संज्ञकः Kati, this shabda is sankhya saudnyaka as well as shat saudnyaka. These two saudnyas are given to Kati shabda. Originally it was not sankhya, it was named as sankhya. Then using sankhya shabda, we gave another name which is shat. Is this sutra clear?
Yes.
Let's move to the next sutra. Shadbhyo luk, shadbhyo luk, shadbhyo luk. We were here, where Kati plus jas, correct? Kati plus jas, Kati plus shas, Kati plus bis, Kati plus bhyas. Okay, here we were, and Kati shabda was there. That's why we were just gathering the information about Kati shabda. We found out that it just is declined in Bahuvachana. It is named as Sankhya and it is named as Shat. Now what happens? Shadbhyah jashasoho luk syat. So main sutra is luk syat. Meaning is sentence is luk syat. Luk syat. Look of what? Just and shas. Just shasoho. Look syat. May look happen on the place of jas and shas. When what type of jas or which jas and shas is supposed to disappear? Look means lopa. Look means lopa. For now, you just understand look is equal to lopa. For now, look is equal to lopa. In English, disappearance. May the disappearance of jas and shas take place. That is the meaning. Jas shasoho luk syat. What type of jas and shas? So shadbhyah. Just that shas which comes after shat saudnyaka shabda will be disappeared by look word. Okay. If any word having shat saudnya getting followed by jas or shas pratyaya, jas and shas pratyaya will disappear. We saw that shnanta shat panchan, this panchan shabda is there, and then there is jas pratyaya. Pancha is always bahuvachan because it is already having bahutva. So panchan, and that just will disappear. Shat saudnya. Pancha is having shat saudnya, shnanta shat, shat saudnyakat, shat saudnyakatvat, shadbhyah luk iti anena jas iti pratyayasya luk lopah. So panchan, and then that nakar also disappears, just pancha remains. Our example is Kati plus jas, correct? Now with this sutra, what will happen? Jas will disappear. Kati, because Kati is having shat saudnya. Kati was not sankhya, we named it as sankhya. Then that sankhya, using that sankhya shabda, we named it as shat saudnya. Dati cha, dati sankhya shat saudnya syat. So Kati was named as shat. And shadbhyah luk, by this sutra we are making this just to disappear. It remained Kati. Correct. Same happens to the Kati plus shas. This also it happens that eventually it remains Kati plus 0 and kati. That's what it remains. Okay. Is this so far whatever we saw? Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Okay. So we'll stop here. Just these 2-3 sankhya saudnyas you have to remember, and then again come prepared, because the topic is going to continue a little bit. Next 2-3 sutras we need to understand. Okay. Should we do Shanti Patha, Swamiji?
Yes.
Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Hari Om. Hari Om.